Hey guys, President of HAAF Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here in the Palms in Bloomingdale, Georgia. I'm going through a Beacon brand new home. This is the Turner floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with 2,247 square feet. Let's check it out. All right, you know what? 2-car garage. It fits 2 cars, maybe 4 bicycles. No, probably more bicycles. Maybe like 6 motorcycles, I don't know. Put 2 chairs out here, little table, nice. We come in here and we don't want to miss right in the door. And this would be great right here. I mean, this is like a flexible room, could be office, could be a exercising room, could be a playroom, could be whatever you want it to be. Movie room, maybe. Lock that window out. Big screen right there, projector up there. Just saying. I mean, it could be anything. Popcorn machine over there in that corner right there. I don't know. You do what you want to do. Chair rail everywhere. I mean, it's just like a chair rail bonanza in this home. As we walk down here, don't want you to miss half bath right there. Coat closet right there. I'm gonna go in the 2-car garage after we make a big old loop. All right, coming in to this spacious living room area. I love the fireplace. Beacon puts in these electric fireplaces, really great. Last one we did was like pink. Now it's green. Who knows what color combination you pick? I don't even know. It may strobe different colors. I'm not even sure, right? That's for you to find out. If you have any questions about that, give me a call. But yeah, plenty of space right here. I love that. You get the half bath right there, just in case you have any needs to go that way. And then we come into the kitchen. This could be a dining area right here. You can put like a little circular table if you like, and then you can look out the door, see the neighbor over there. Then you got the pantry right there. Granite countertops. I love this island right here. Okay. And then you'll come with stainless steel appliances, no fridge. I like the pendant lights they got over the bar. It's really great. And then it comes into this dining room. It's like the circle of life. Came in through the door, and now we're here. Spacious dining room area. You can definitely throw any kind of party you want here. It'd be great. So let's go to this garage where we're down here still. We don't want to miss the garage. See how many, you guess on the video, how many motorcycles can fit in here? Leave it in the comments. Motorcycles, what do you think? I think probably fit 20. 20 too much? Yeah, if you stuff them in here, comfortably 10. But definitely 2 cars, no doubt. They call it a 2-car garage, or it can be a 10 motorcycle garage, whatever you want. All right, let's go upstairs. Now we are upstairs. We're gonna go to the primary bedroom first. Whoo, I like this one. High ceilings. Makes the room feel, it's already a big room as it is, right? But with these ceilings being the way it is, it just gives it that openness that you're looking for. At least 2 baby elephants, 6 hippopotamuses, at least 6, I don't know. And then come in here to dual vanity, granite countertop, separate tub shower, and then it's got a nice walk-in closet. And let you check that out. All right, for 2.5, you saw 1.5. I'm gonna let Brandon take care of the other 3 bedrooms and bathroom up here, and I'll meet you outside. Now we're outside. Screened in porch. You know one of the things I love about this area, right? Super close to Pooler. Everything Pooler has to offer, like one exit down, 7 minutes to the Costco. They're gonna be putting a Top Golf right there. Great. This also has a pool. It's got a beach going on over there, which is good to play with animals. I don't know if you're gonna swim in there yourself, but you can have a pool, so what do you need that for? Then there's lakes all throughout the area, so you can fish in there and all that kind of stuff, so it's fantastic. So that was the Turner plan from Beacon New Homes. If you have any questions about this home or any Beacon New Home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.